Hello, everyone. Today we teach you to upgrade its Ford Force. This is its car console. This car is older. The radio system is seriously aging, ready to upgrade it to an Android system. This is the upgraded Android screen. The appearance is very large. The function is very much. It is built-in wireless Carplay Android Auto, through which you can use voice assistants, make phone calls, listen to songs, use online maps and a variety of applications on your phone. So do you want to know how to upgrade? Please watch the video. First of all, we remove the screw hole protection panel below the button panel. Then you can see it here has two fixed screws, both screwed it off. You can now disassemble the entire keypad panel. There is only one wire connection on the back of the panel. We pull it off and remove the panel completely. Now we remove its CD host and screen. Because they are combined together, only need to remove 4 screws. Take them off together and unplug all the connecting plugs on the back. Okay, we now remove the 2 air outlets on the button panel. It is fixed by the 2 sides of the buckle. When dismantling should pay attention to. Now that the disassembly is completed, we are ready to upgrade the installation. First of all, we install the matching screw hole fixed panel on the new screen. Then connect the new power harness. This is Campbell's box. This is the original car power plug. This is the original car Proto car plug. Then connect this small black plug. Now install the 2 original car air outlets that have been disassembled on the new screen frame. Okay, start connecting the screen cable. This is the RCA audio cable. This is the video input wire. This is a USB transmission line. It has to. This is the radio antenna. This is the GPS antenna. This is a signal antenna, also has to. Now connect the communication serial port on the new power supply to the screen. Then the video output is connected with the video input. Connect the red, white plug AUX in on the no power supply to the red, white AUX in on the RCA wire. Connect the other end of the radio antenna to the original car radio. Insert the original car key plug into the back of the screen. Connect the screen power plug. After all the wire connection is completed, we will install the screen on it. Now has been installed. This car is with Campbell's box. We need to set it up. We enter the settings factory settings input password canvas settings select the agreement brand select the car series select the corresponding model you click to determine. Remember, the first setting, you need to connect to the network. After the setting is completed, you can synchronize the air conditioning information. You can use radar detection. Double flash buttons and door lock buttons are also in normal use. Support door unclosed reminder. You can listen to your favorite songs and control the steering wheel to switch or adjust the volume. In addition, you can choose your favorite timbre and adjust the speaker's individual sound size according to your preferences. Support Bluetooth phone. Support for local or online video. Support map navigation. You can also download other apps. Okay, this video is here. Thank you for watching.